Yeefung, the company with a game-changing innovation. They've come up with a genius platform that's about to revolutionize parking as we know it. Picture this: laser navigation that's so precise it can guide your car to a parking spot with an accuracy of plus or minus 5 millimeters. Yep, you heard that right. No more circling the lot for hours trying to find a spot. But here's where it gets really exciting. This platform isn't just about convenience. It's about maximizing space too. By using Yeefung's system, a typical parking garage can increase its capacity by a whopping 40%. That means more spots for everyone. And wait, there's more. This intelligent parking system isn't just a one-trick pony. It can handle up to 1,000 platforms at once, making it perfect for even the busiest parking lots. So, get ready to say goodbye to parking headaches and hello to a whole new era of stress-free parking, thanks to Yeefung's incredible innovation. Meet Jasper Mallinson, a brilliant British student who's redefining the game with his latest invention, a portable CNC machine that's like an exoskeleton for your arm. Imagine strapping on this futuristic gear, housing 8 powerful motors, and wielding a welding torch like a pro. But wait, there's more. Just like those big, clunky CNC machines you see in factories, this baby is controlled by a computer. And get this, the computer sits conveniently on Mallinson's back, so he's hands-free and ready to conquer any task. But Jasper's not stopping there. Oh no! His vision extends beyond just welding. He's on a mission to make this machine compatible with all sorts of tools, so craftsmen everywhere can tackle even the trickiest jobs with ease. And brace yourself for the cherry on top. Mallinson's got plans to incorporate virtual reality tech into the mix. Yep, you heard that right. Set sail with SP80, the app that's more like a spaceship than anything else. Picture this sleek and futuristic trimaran, designed by a team of creators who are aiming to smash the world speed record for sailboats. Hold on to your hats because if everything goes as planned, SP80 will be zooming through the water at an incredible speed of 150 km per hour by 2024. That's like lightning on the waves. But here's the real kicker. Creating this 7-meter marvel took years of hard work and some seriously cutting-edge technology. Just imagine, the hull, woven from super strong carbon fiber, was crafted using a special machine and then heated to a scorching 120 degrees Celsius to make it extra durable. And get this, all this innovation didn't come cheap. The budget for this ambitious project soared past a whopping $1.6 million. But hey, when you're aiming to break records and push the boundaries of what's possible, every penny is worth it. So, get ready to witness history in the making as SP80 takes to the water and leaves all other sailboats in its wake. Paramedics, first responders, and all those amazing professionals who rush to transport the sick and injured. They're lifting and carrying people on stretchers day in and day out. That's tough work, right? But hold on to your hats because the NX ambulance cot is here to save the day. This super smart stretcher is electric powered, taking the strain off these heroes' backs. It's like the superhero of stretchers, capable of carrying hefty loads of up to 317 kilograms. But that's not all. This stretcher isn't just strong, it's also super comfy. The person lying on it stays in the perfect position for their journey, with adjustable guides for all those medical gadgets like 4 lines. Plus, thanks to some fancy tech, it can be adjusted with just the push of a button. Talk about convenience! And here's the cherry on top. There's an integrated LCD display right on the stretcher, giving all the vital info these heroes need to get their patients where they need to go, quickly and safely. So, with the NX ambulance cot by their side, our heroes can focus on what really matters: saving lives. Every year a whopping 400 million air travelers face the challenge of finding a comfy spot at the airport. But fear not. Enter AIRPOD, a cool company from Slovenia here to save the day. They've come up with these awesome capsules where you can do it all: check your phone, munch on snacks in peace, or even catch some Z's. But wait, there's more. These capsules are like Swiss Army knives. They transform into mini offices with nifty furniture, AC, and free Wi-Fi after you're done relaxing. Picture this, you're at the airport, chilling in your capsule, and suddenly it's time to get some work done. Voila! Your capsule turns into the perfect workspace. These futuristic pods caused quite a stir at a big expo in Dubai, grabbing loads of attention from curious onlookers. The creators were so confident in their product that they could have sold 1,000 of these babies on the spot. And guess what? They're not just showing off. These capsules are being put to the test in airports across the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, and Oman. So, get ready to see them popping up at an airport near you soon. Chinese railroads are already breaking records, zooming along at a mind-blowing 350 kilometers per hour. But guess what? They're not stopping there. Chinese experts have their sights set on an even more jaw-dropping speed of 400 kilometers per hour. Talk about pushing the limits. Now, you might wonder how they keep everything running smoothly at such lightning-fast speeds. Well, here's the secret sauce: robots. These super smart machines are lending a hand by conducting thorough inspections. They're like the superheroes of the railroad world, checking for any bumps, cracks, or issues along the tracks. Picture this: a robotic platform cruising along, scanning the rails, measuring gaps, and making sure everything's in tip-top shape. And get this, these robots are so efficient that they can keep going for 4 hours straight on just one battery charge, maintaining a steady inspection speed of 15 kilometers per hour. So, with these high-tech helpers on the job, Chinese railways are set to reach even greater speeds, making travel faster, safer, and more exciting than ever before. Meet the superheroes of the workplace, courtesy of German company Ottobock. Their mission? To make professionals' lives a whole lot easier with their cutting-edge exoskeleton technology. First up, let's talk about the Pexo-Thumb. It might be small, but it's making a big impact. Recognized as the world's tiniest exoskeleton, this little powerhouse is all about giving you the extra support you need to tackle tough tasks. But that's not all. Ottobock's got something even more intriguing up its sleeve: the Pexo Shoulder. And here's the best part: it doesn't need electricity to work its magic. Instead, it relies on good old-fashioned levers, springs, and cables to give you the lift you need, making it perfect for anyone from mechanics to construction workers. So, whether you're reaching for the stars or just trying to get through your workday without feeling like you've been hit by a truck, Ottobock's exoskeletons have got your back, quite literally. The latest sensation in the skies, the RoadRunner interceptor drone, unveiled by the US-based company, Anduril Industries, in early December. While they're keeping some of its coolest features under wraps for now, there's one thing we do know: this bad boy is equipped with not one, but 2 turbojet engines, propelling it to mind-blowing speeds of around 1,120 kilometers per hour. But that's just the beginning. Anduril Industries is making some bold claims about the RoadRunner's performance. They say it leaves the competition in the dust, flying 10 times farther and maneuvering 3 times better. Talk about setting the bar high. But here's what really sets the RoadRunner apart: its versatility. This sleek machine isn't just a one-trick pony. While its main mission is to take down enemy drones, it's also a pro at tasks like reconnaissance and tracking. It's like having a superhero in the sky, ready to tackle any challenge that comes its way. And guess what? Anduril Industries isn't wasting any time. They've already lined up their first customer and are gearing up for mass production. In 2023 alone, the total volume of global advertising market soared to a staggering $842 billion. That's a whole lot of cash. But here's where it gets really interesting. Enter the Polish company with their game-changing invention, the screen LED. This baby isn't your ordinary LED display. Oh no! It's a powerhouse designed to revolutionize how we generate income through advertising. Introducing Box LED, the ultimate ad display unit that's shaking things up. Imagine hopping into a car already equipped with Box LED or snagging one separately. It's like having your own mini billboard on wheels. But wait, there's more. This sleek unit doesn't just display ads, it's smart too. With automatic brightness adjustments, it ensures your ads shine bright no matter the time of day. And don't even stress about the weather, these displays are built tough, ready to withstand rain and winds up to a whopping 20 meters per second. So, whether you're a business looking to get noticed or a savvy entrepreneur ready to take your ads to the next level, Box LED is here to make your dreams a reality. Can you believe that between 2015 and 2018, a whopping $25.2 million worth of handy machines were sold worldwide? That's a whole lot of cleaning power. But here's the thing, those robots, while great at tackling floors, have a bit of trouble with stairs. Enter Singapore, the land of innovation, with their solution, Stetro, the ultimate stair navigating robot. Stetro isn't your average bot, it's a sleek machine comprised of 3 blocks, housing 6 powerful motors. And get this, it's got some serious smarts too, thanks to its top-notch computer vision technology. With a mix of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR, this robot can glide effortlessly up and down stairs like it's nobody's business. But here's the catch. While Stetro has shown some seriously promising performance in tests, it's still up in the air whether it'll hit production. But one thing's for sure, if this robot does hit the market, it's going to revolutionize the way we clean our homes and spaces. We hope that we'll soon see Stetro in action, making our lives easier, one stair at a time.